A queen, my heart is filled with joy completely only for you. It's the morning time here. I'm starting the morning time with you. And I was really so frustrated yesterday for searching the foreigner since early morning, but I don't get any foreigner. But you are the one who break my long time break. So thank you so much for accepting my request. I definitely will make you astonished.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Uh,
And I just the way I was raised treat others how you want to be treated, but also my mom, like, she didn't believe in any type of racism, or you know how why, like, because Donald Trump recently, right? You know
yeah,
Donald Trump,
yeah, I
who was
know
our
Donald Trump,
president.
United States former
He
president.
incited like a lot of white people. Yeah. Um he incited a lot of in closet racists to come out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
And when he was, yeah, he's a bad person. I don't care for him.
Yeah, look, I also do. I also just don't like any racism. In one thing, I wanted to tell you. One of my best friend from United States, sorry, United Kingdom. Ugly. No, she's. What the hell you are, man?
They keep
She's not
saying I look like
56.
I'm 50.
Look
I don't look.
how. It's really weird. It's really weird. I don't know why people are just
I ignore them.
making us noisy.
They're
What the hell of this?
they're being trolls.
Shit.
He says you look like
Get
a
out of my
monkey,
ring. Get out
and
of my
let me look at your
conversation.
profile picture.
Fucking hell. Shit.
Unfollow.
Yeah. Anyway, forget that, okay?
That's why you don't have a profile picture, goat. You don't even have a profile picture. That's sus right there, bitch. That's why you don't have a profile picture, the goat. It's because you're fucking ugly. You're fucking ugly, bitch. You're fucking ugly. And then yo Zola PK
I.
whatever. You're fucking living in a crusty basement.
Yeah, anyway, forget
This
that, okay?
piggy, my white
Listen.
ass,
Listen.
bitch.
Listen, Queen. Look at that. Look at that. Five finger. Is all finger is not equal. So I see this is the smallest
No.
finger here as keep commenting us. So I wanted to say to you, man, get out of our live broadcasting. We don't want to see, leave us alone, please.
I know that you can block them, but I don't know how yet. I'm
Oh
still
wait, wait,
new.
wait, wait.
I
I
gotta
wanted
learn
to.
how to block.
Uh.
I am a quarter of Native American. My grandpa was full Native American. A Cherokee, actually. He lived in Kentucky, and his mom was full Native American, and so was his father. So actually, when I get in the sun, I turn brown.
Oh
But
yeah.
it's winter here, you dumb fuck.
Eh,
So I'm very white.
Yeah, but yeah, you're white. But I like your skin color at the same time. I like your
You were
here.
right. He misspelled something. He said I ugly. Yes, you are ugly. The goat.
Hey, oh my
Yes, you are.
God.
I ugly. Yes, you are.
Listen to me,
He's pissing
Queen.
me off.
Listen to me, Queen. You're such a beautiful lady that I ever seen
Thank
in my
you.
eyes. You're such a beautiful lady.
If I was old, like I'd be wrinkly and
Listen,
stuff, and have
listen to me. Yeah,
lines
Queen,
and.
Queen, listen to me. Man's beauty is not the face, is not the outer face. Mankind's beauty comes from the heart, comes from the mind. How beautiful, how do you behave with the people? This is the best beauty. I don't care your color, I don't care any of your status. I think I see how do you behave with your people, and that's all of my intention. That's completely depend on it, how beautiful you are.
He's gonna have bad karma.
Yeah, all right.
His karma's not gonna be good.
Yeah, it's don't worry, please. I'm sorry for this God. If I could kick him out, I would do. But I'm sorry, I don't know about this application much more. So I will learn it. If anybody just try to irritate us, I will try to kick out. Okay.